Hello everyone, I'm Amber.
Hi everyone, I'm Jim.
Welcome to the Orient factory. Today we are introducing you to two key products, our high-performance PDUs and power distribution cabinets.
Let's step into this production site filled with cutting-edge technology and engineering excellence.
Go! Now we are in the PDU production workshop, which mainly produce high-power distribution equipment for mining farms. Through standardized assembly and testing, we ensure that the equipment remains stable and safe under high load, meeting the mining farms' demand for continued power supply.
We utilize advanced manufacturing technologies combined with the multiple highly efficient production lines in an intelligent production model, ensuring that every PDU achieves the exceptional performance and reliability.
Our PDUs offer several core advantages in mining applications. First, they provide high power support, with some modules offering a total power capacity of up to 200 kW and supporting a maximum load of 10 kW per unit, meeting the needs of high load and overclock operations in mining.
Additionally, our PDU supports a variety of input voltages compatible with the single-phase 220 to 277 volt and the three-phase 380 to 480 volt inputs, as well as the single-phase 220 to 277 volt and the three-phase 380 to 480 volts outputs, adapting to the different regional and equipment requirements.
In terms of safety protection, our PDUs are equipped with built-in residual current devices, RCDs, fuses, and circuit breakers to ensure the safety of both equipment and operators.
Lastly, to adjust the significant heat generated by high-load mining machines, our PDUs featured an efficient cooling design, incorporating vent holes and fan-based cooling systems to maintain optimal operating temperatures, improving heat dissipation efficiency and system stability.
Next, let's move on to the power distribution cabinet production workshop.
The distribution cabinets produced here provide a robust support for the large-scale power usage in the mining operations.
Our distribution cabinets are designed with the demanding conditions of mining sites in mind. They support a wide voltage range, input voltage 110 voltage to 3900 voltage, frequency 58 to 60 Hz, and output voltage ranging from 100 to 110 voltage to 6900, with a maximum total power capacity of 4589 MW.
Additionally, the cabinets featured a modular design, integrating multiple layers of safety protection systems, including RCDs, fuses, and circuit breaker, effectively preventing electrical faults while ensuring the safety of equipment and personnel. They also support the optional monitoring of various electrical parameters and can be equipped with the remote communication interfaces such as RS485 or TCP/IP.
For cooling, the cabinets are equipped with forced ventilation systems such as fans to dissipate heat generated by the equipment quickly, coupled with dusty-proof and moisture-proof designs. This significantly extends the service life of the equipment.
All of these features makes our distribution cabinets excellent in mining power management, delivering both efficiency and safety while providing solid support for stable mining operations.
Orient consistently adhere to technological innovation and quality-first principles, providing the mining industry with top-tier power solutions.
Thank you for watching. Follow Orient Tech to learn more about our products and join us in stepping into the intelligent era of mining.